We're gonna do the egg challenge. They're simple rules. You have to grab an egg and splash it in your head. But first you have to crack it.
No, you don't. Just go.
Just crack it.
We're getting ready. Nope. You gotta crack it.
Do the pop.
Hit it on your head. Really? Really?
But he got some juice in it.
This sucked. This is how a real man does it.
First, I'm eating yolk. I'm Brianna.
Alright, ready?
Hello. Oh, let's see. Oh, look at my hair.
I want another egg.
You do?
I'm gonna do it.
No,
Me?
No.
What do you mean?
Last one. Last one.
Only me and Kelby.
No, not for you no more.
Why?
You smash it on my head.
No, on mine. And it's no crack.
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
It's gonna hurt.
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh,
That's cold.
Oh no, it hurt.
Wash your hair.
Did I see this?
ooh.
Is that a lot?
Yeah.
Damn. Let's see my hair.
You have nothing.
Oh, somewhere smells like poop.
Mine? Does it look? Do I have something?
No.
Okay, thank you for watching this video.
Wait. Is all of it gone?
No.
Nope.
There's still a lot?
Yeah. Then let's do the Pop-Tart challenge. Pop-Tart?
Whoever could finish it the fastest?
No, we gotta play
No. Whoever could finish it the fastest.
okay.
I'm recording. I'm not gonna do this
End
challenge.
it.
I am.
End it. End the video.